The Primus Elite advanced features on the Honeywell DU875 display upgrade features electronic terminal charts on the MFD. To access the charts display, push the Menu button on the CCD and select Charts from the on-screen menu. Some configurations have a Charts shortcut button on the CCD. When the Charts page is first accessed after power-up, the Revision Info page is displayed. This page shows the valid dates of the Charts database. A warning message will be shown if the database is expired. The page also shows areas covered by the installed database. A serial number is issued to each Charts subscriber and determines the coverage area for the particular subscription. When additional or temporary access to a geographical area is needed, an access code can be requested. Entering the access code provides temporary access to the requested region. Serial numbers and access codes are entered using the virtual keyboard and only have to be entered once per update cycle. After reviewing the Revision Info page, close the window to return to the main Charts page. The Chart tabs are used to access the various types of charts that can be displayed. If a chart category is not available for the selected airport, the associated tab is grayed out. The Airport Selection drop-down menu is used to select the airport. The origin, destination, and alternate airports from the FMS flight plan are shown first. The Search Airport option is used to select an airport not in the FMS flight plan. Selecting Revision Info displays the Revision Info page discussed earlier in the video. The print function is currently not available. To view a chart, select the category of chart from the Chart tab. This will display the first chart in the selected category. The chart title bar displays the name of the chart currently selected. Any procedures in the active flight plan are displayed first, followed by the rest of the available charts. Only the chart name, index number, and geo-referenced icon are displayed in the chart title drop-down menu. Other identifying characteristics, such as the revision date and effective date, are displayed on the chart itself. When there are more results that can be shown in a window, a scroll bar will be displayed. Use the CCD to scroll through the list. To view charts for an airport that is not part of your active flight plan, click on Search Airport in the Airport drop-down menu. Airports can be searched for by the ICAO identifier, airport name, or by city or country. Any airport that fits the entered search criteria is displayed in the Search Results window. Select an airport from the list to display the charts for that airport. When an airport is selected, the airport identifier is displayed in the upper left corner, followed by the Chart tab bar. Charts from the airport's search can now be reviewed. Accessing charts using the Search Airport function does not change the airports in the active flight plan. There are several chart functions that can change how a chart is displayed. Once a chart has been selected, scroll the chart display by using the scroll bars at the edge of the screen. To access the scroll bars, move the cursor to the edge of the chart. Push the MFC or CCD Enter button when the cursor is on the scroll bar to scroll the map in the direction indicated by the pointer. Zoom in or out of the chart using the CCD knob. Clicking on a chart displays the Chart Task menu. The Chart Task menu allows you to choose how the selected chart is displayed on the MFD. You can pan across the chart using the Pan function. After clicking on Pan, a cross symbol is shown. Use the CCD to pan across the chart. To exit the Pan function, push the CCD Enter button and deselect Pan. The chart display can be centered, fit to screen, split, or rotated. To center the chart on a place of interest, click on the desired location on the chart and select Center Chart. Clicking on Fit will fit the chart to the screen widthwise. While flying in approach, The split function can be used to display the plan view of the chart, along with the header section, profile view, or minimum section. To split the view of a chart, click on Split and choose between the header view, profile view, or minimum view. The chart can be rotated in either direction using the Rotate function. The aircraft selection controls the display of the aircraft symbol on the chart. When available, selecting Aircraft displays the actual location of the aircraft in relation to the chart. To view the aircraft location on a chart, the selected chart must be georeferenced. Georeferenced charts are indicated by an aircraft symbol displayed in the chart title bar. This feature greatly increases situational awareness, both in the air and on the ground, and can be used with other cockpit indications to quickly determine the aircraft's position. Selecting Center Aircraft centers the aircraft symbol on the display. Selecting Night Mode displays the charts in inverted colors, making it easier to view the charts at night or in dark conditions. The Charts feature on the Primus Elite Display System is a convenient way to quickly access terminal charts and can help reduce cockpit clutter while providing increased situational awareness both on the ground and in flight.